You just want the
Just the number. What is it?
1155.
Okay. What's the Subaru factory value proposition? You know what a value proposition is? Most people don't.
Probably just don't use that term, but I'm just gonna say no right now.
Okay, what's the value proposition?
What you can ask the customer for the product?
It's a value proposition. Give me the value proposition on a Glock 43. Okay?
Well, I mean, I don't know what a value proposition is.
Okay.
The terminology, no, I'm not familiar.
The value proposition is everything that comes with a product, but not the product itself. Meaning, the Outback is the Outback, with all its bells and whistles, okay? But what comes with the Outback?
The other fees you're talking about.
No,
The
no.
features.
If it's brand new, I don't know about Subaru,
Yeah.
but with Infinity, first year free maintenance or
Oh,
basic maintenance
okay,
on
no,
us.
you're on the right track
Oh,
here.
okay, gotcha.
First year
Okay.
basic maintenance on us, every time in the duration of your lease, we'll wash your car, do an inspection.
These are parts of the value proposition. The first one was the maintenance is provided by Infinity, correct? The car washes are provided by Infinity of Gwinnett.
Yes.
So you've basically got two different value propositions to work with here. You got the factory value proposition, you got the dealership value proposition. So back to Subaru. What's Subaru's value proposition? What do I get with the Outback that's not part of the Outback?
Me.
Okay, yeah, you're part of it, certainly, okay? And hell, you got me to the point where we're talking about it. So you're an important part, all right? What else?
The warranty.
So, if I take delivery of this Outback and something breaks during the first 36 months or 36,000 miles, will someone else pay for the repair for me?
Yes.
Is there value there? You don't think there's value there? Next time somebody asks you for an additional discount, say, I'll be right back. Go outside and smoke a cigarette, okay? Come back in and go, gotcha, $2,000 off. And they'll be all happy.
No
And
warranty.
then let them know they don't get a factory warranty, and watch how that goes over.
Well, it doesn't go well.
No, they're not going to take delivery of the car.
Just like on a used car, you try to take that warranty away for $500.
Exactly.
Doesn't work.
Okay, so yeah, so 3636. That's a comprehensive warranty. What else?
Powertrain 6 years 72, or 5 years 72. Sorry.
Is it 560?
560.
Yeah, okay. Lube, 4 lube oil filters and 2 tire rotations. What's that worth?
$300 or more, actually. If monetary speaking.
Well, that's what I'm talking about,
Yeah.
monetary. I'm not talking about...
360, roughly.
well, how much is an oil change?
For the oil changes, the tire rotations.
How much is an oil change?
72.
Okay, 72 times 4 is 288. Okay, tire rotation is probably $30.
Something like that.
So that's 814. It's $348. Let me ask you this: is $348 a lot of money to you? Me too. If you give me $348, I like you. And isn't that what we're doing? We're paying for $348 worth of oil changes and tire rotations. Okay, what else?
Car wash with service.
So when I have my vehicle serviced, you guys will wash my car.
Unless you want us not to.
Okay.
Some people don't.
Okay, yeah, I'm not going to debate that.
And then 3 years of the
What did you do before you got into car sales?
insurance sales.
Okay. All right, what else?
3 years of the basic package for Starlink.
Okay, and after the 3 years, how much does Starlink cost?
Depending on the packages, I usually range, bottom end would be about $9.99 a month, unless you
Okay,
want to do
let's use $10 then. So that would be $360 worth of Starlink then, right? Okay, so I'm getting $360 worth of Starlink. I'm getting $348 worth of oil changes and tire rotations. I'm starting to get real happy here. Well, I'm gonna get some other stuff too. What is it?
Are you asking for more stuff?
No, I'm gonna get it whether you know about it or not.
Well, there's a 5-year unlimited mile rust perforation warranty.
Okay, I'm gonna leave that out. I'm gonna leave that out. But good, I'm glad you know that.
Okay.
Am I gonna get roadside assistance?
Yes.
Okay,
Part of that Starlink, yeah.
all right. Does roadside assistance have a value?
Yeah, of course.
What's roadside assistance cost if you're not getting it from a factory? $5 a month?
I'd say more
Yeah,
than
depending on the insurance company, but roughly.
Roughly 5?
Okay.
So 5 times 36 would be $180 worth of roadside assistance? All right, so let's think about this for a second. Does a 3636 comprehensive warranty have value?
that. Yes, sir.
Does a 560 powertrain have value?
Yes, sir.
Does $348 worth of maintenance have value? $108 worth of Starlink have value? I'm sorry, roadside assistance, $360 worth of Starlink. A car wash every time I get my vehicle serviced. All this stuff has value. Would it not be a good idea to bring this up before we ask me to pay $31,000?
Probably, yeah. I'd say yes every time.
Okay. Where do I come up with these ideas?
I think there's facts, I don't know.
No. I work with some of the top automobile salespeople and managers in the entire country. I